Wait a minute. I don't think this section is open for us.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. I'm like, I see him going, but I don't think the section. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna turn back. I don't think this section is. Let me see. Wait, I think I could go down. Let me see. Yeah, this looks horrible. Oh yeah, this is definitely not for us. This is where all the workers be at. Oh, the man is exiting. Prefer not. Gotta go walk down to that L. Exiting, I'm not exiting. I gotta get to the L. I'm scared to death. What is this? My train coming. I gotta run. Wait. Never mind, that's the F. What a mess. I need the L, told you. Got this hot sweater on, man. I'm about to pass out, man. Hot.